Today we search how to buy shares of FDJ United, a company listed on Euronext with the ticker FDJU.PA. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. Investing involves risk. You need a broker to buy the stock, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search and type the ticker FDJU.PA to find FDJ United. Select the listing that indicates Euronext to make sure it is the correct share. On the asset page, review the company snapshot and the price chart for basic information. Confirm the page shows FDJ United on Euronext with the ticker FDJU.PA. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be pending, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.